So this is just my prep technique. What everything looks like when I'm prepping once again. And this helps my creative mind get to flowing, what I want to take out, what I want to add, you know, type of thing. Some people will look at this as double working. I don't. I enjoy doing this, so it's not double working for me. But I just like to, it helps me figure out what I might want to add to these baskets or what I want to do, what I want to take out, like I was saying. So these are going to be my teen baskets here, or unbasket, as Unboss Lady would say. I can't wait to figure out what I'm going to do with this chair, y'all. I want to make it like an Easter basket. Well, unbasket, but Easter-ish stuff. So I'm very excited. I'm trying to create that one. I can't wait. So yeah, that's how I set up everything prior to completing the actual basket or unbasket. This is what I do. So I will, like I said, be back on showing y'all when I finish. I'll make a video when I finish these. Alright, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, these backpacks came from Walmart, y'all. If you have a Walmart, go check them out if you like these backpacks. They are ringing up for $2. Let me see what. Where's the? I think no, here it is. They're ringing up for $2. And let's see. Would that be the code? I don't really know if it's this the code. Should I look for? Well, yeah, because that's the only one on barcode. Yep. So those are so cute. I want to go back and grab more. So now I'm thinking of, I can't wait to wrap this, get it all nice and pretty. Just throwing random things in. This bubble stuff came from Walmart for $1. Oh, and Dollar General. Dollar sale. Blue Dot. Or, yeah. Those were $1, I think 25 or something. So, yep. And these bags here too. Sorry, these bags came from Walmart as well. Oop. Everything falling down. But these came from Walmart. Now these are $5. Don't mind everything falling because nothing is taped down. Yeah, this is so cute. It has the eye mask, a little pouch, some socks. So adorable. And it's furry, very soft. Got pockets on the inside. And I got this idea from LBE to put the box inside. So I'm prepping all of this, getting ready. I got so much more back there to do. But this is what I love. Alright. Stay tuned.